Hey, it's Gareth and Janet here, and we are at the Hotel California in Todos Santos, Mexico. Allegedly, the Eagles stayed here and named an album after this place. Google it. That's what our guide said. I've heard it didn't happen, so I don't know. But we're up on a rooftop viewing deck. And now we're gonna go down in just a moment. They're playing some loud music, which I have to try to talk over. Or if this video doesn't have narration, it means I took the audio off and added non-copyrighted music. I guess it's not really non-copyrighted. Anyway, let's get to it. It's a nice place. I mean, I could even stay here, I suppose. We're about 2 kilometers, you know, a mile from the beach, the ocean, and I'm sure it's got a nice beach. Has a jewelry store.
Yes. Yeah.
A restaurant. Another part of the jewelry store. A little gift shop here. There's Elton John jamming. Wow, this is quite extensive. What are those? Shirts? Why are they folded up so small? Incense. Those are shirts and hats. Let's go out and come back in. So now this is Avenue Benito Juarez, and it's the main drag in town. And that's the Oyster Pearl, so it's a pearl shop. We're outside of La Paz, Mexico, or at least that's where the ships dock. And it used to be the oyster capital of the world until they built Hoover Dam. And I guess the oysters like the fresh water, a little bit of it. And so now there are no oysters, or very few. I guess they're coming back, but anyway, so Hotel California. Hotel California. More shops out here. I guess this is the front desk. Let's go further. And this is the room where they interrogate people. And this is the place that they don't want you to go. Yeah, I don't know what these places are. Let's go back out this way. Hey, I'm here. Tour group. This is the restaurant where we ate. It was pretty good food. Pretty good. Oh, here's the oyster place. I didn't know they were attached. See? Pick your own oyster. Pearls. We ate right here. Right in this bar, right here. Where the loud music's emanating from. So I'm going to go back outside and keep on talking while I do it. But this is Hotel California, Todos Santos, Mexico. Our ship docked in La Paz, so they sell a tour from there. It's the Diamond Princess, La Paz and the Sea of Cortez. You can also book this tour from Cabo San Lucas, is my understanding. Lots of shops across the street. And I guess those are the hotel rooms. He said originally it had 4 hotel rooms. I don't know what it has now. But that's Hotel California. So from Todos Santos, Mexico, it's Gareth.
And Janet.
Saying,
Port Munchies out.
we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.